Do you want to make an extra $50 per month just doing this one simple method? If that is the case, guys, watch this entire video because trust me, there is a really cool site out there that can help you get free PayPal money pretty quickly. Stick along with us. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now, in this current time, we are having a crazy thing happening with this coronavirus. Obviously, we all know it. And everybody is scrambling right now to get money, to get food, to get all these supplies. Now guys, how do you get money in a time like this? You can't go to the bank because you'll get the coronavirus, right? Well, what we have to do is really find methods to making money online. And guys, today I have an amazing site to go over right now just to show you guys that it is possible to make some side money here in 2020 right now. So this site is called Send Earnings. So just search that up on Google, Send Earnings, click the first link and it'll bring you to this page right here. Now what you guys are going to want to do is actually create an account. There will be up here at the top something saying like create account, and you're going to sign up and create an account. Now once you've created an account, I'm already logged in here. You're gonna get $5 for free just for signing up. After you sign up, they'll send you an email to your email address that you signed up with, and that email is gonna pay you $5 to click it. Okay, you're clicking it and then click the button that says activate or whatever, and you will get $5 just for that email. No joke, it's that simple. You instantly get $5. So as you can see, my balance up here is $6.09. Now, you actually need $30 to cash out, so this is what you do to make money. So, once you're here on the website, guys, now what you're going to do is actually do different tasks. So, there's, like, different deals here. This one's $2, and let's see what it says to do. It says, sign up and open your green dot account to earn your Send Earnings reward. So, sign up and open your account, and you'll instantly get $2. Pretty simple, right? These are super simple tasks that you could do for money. And then we have these like bonus $1 bonus surveys. I believe that'll be like 50 cents. It'll be like 50 cents when you first sign up. The next day it'll increase and increase and increase if you keep on doing them. So that is how you do it, guys. Now if we also come over here to click this easy cash button, what we can actually do is do easy cash surveys for 10 cents. These take literally no time and they're super easy. And the next thing is actually a really cool one. It's this games button right here. You can play different games for cash, obviously. Next thing is the surveys button where you can do different surveys that pay different amounts. The next thing is the offers. This is a lot of offers that you could do for free and get some cool money. Now the next thing, and a cool thing that I actually personally like about this, is that you can click on the search button and you can actually legitimately search the web. Alright, we could search the web saying like how to make some money. Alright, we could do this, right? We could just search the web and boom, we are at 1 out of 4. Now let's do this again here. How to. Boom. We're now at 2 out of 4. So let's do how to win. I don't know, let's just enter something random, right? Now we're at 2 out of 4. We have to do this 4 times. We have to search 4 unique searches, and let's just say lol, boom, now we're at 3 out of 4. Alright, let's say how to win at life. I don't know, something random, okay? And boom, we're now at 4 out of 4, and we just won 1 cent, guys. We just got 1 cent for literally searching 4 times. It's that simple, guys. Send Earnings is actually run by Inbox Dollars, so it's very trustworthy. Now, once you have enough to cash out, you're going to click this little cash out button up here, or it's the little money button showing your like balance, and it says you must earn $30 to request a payment. Now you do get paid via PayPal, I'm pretty sure, and you can just request a payment and of course enter your PayPal email address and all that stuff. So that is what you do to make money on this website, guys. Trust me. This is a great fast way to get money right now, today. Now, guys, I know this time is crazy with the coronavirus and everything going on, and it's nuts, okay? I really understand that, and I'm trying to make the best kind of content for you guys on how to make money quickly and today, alright? And if not today, then sometime this week. Just make it quickly so you guys can have some extra money for this coronavirus or just in general. Alright, guys, so this is definitely a good way to do it, and it's called sendearnings.com. You guys can just search it up on Google, Send Earnings, and all that stuff, guys. And you can also refer a friend here, and you get points for referring. You get money for that. It's really cool, guys, and this site works 100%. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this helped you guys, and hopefully you enjoyed. Drop a like and subscribe with notifications on, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Hopefully this helped, and hopefully you can get some free money. And yeah, peace out, everybody.